Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Minnie will be showing you how to easily create 5 different nail art designs, all by just using one nail polish color. This video will be really helpful to those of you who only have a limited number of nail polish colors in your collection. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Hello, it's Minnie. The first nail art I'm going to show is a simple gradient. Before any manicure, it's always good to apply a base coat if you have one. For the gradient, we are going to use a makeup sponge. Apply a small amount of nail polish and dab it onto the tip of the nail. Gradually move the sponge towards the base of the nail to create a gradation. Apply top coat and that's it! Next, we're gonna create a polka dot design. For this, we're gonna use sticky tape. Take a piece and fold both ends. Fold a piece in half and then cut out a semicircle shape using small scissors or eyebrow scissors. We're going to use one of the pieces now, but keep the other one for later. Open the tape and stick it onto the nail. Fill the circle with nail polish and remove the tape. Allow the first circle to dry and then repeat the same steps to create more circles. Add smaller dots in between the circles to complete. Next up is a negative space polka dot design. For this, we are going to use the semicircle piece from the previous design. Use a tweezer to open and place them onto the nail. Apply nail polish on top. Remove the circles and that's it! Next, we will be creating a cute lip design. Stick 2 strips of sticky tape onto a flat surface and then draw the outline of the lips with a pen. Cut out the outline. Place the pieces onto the nail. Apply nail polish with a small opening in the middle. The lip design is complete. For the last design, we'll be creating a DIY sheer shade polish. Stroke the nail polish brush to remove the excess polish and then stir a drop of top coat or a clear nail polish. And that's it! We have our very own sheer shade polish. Let's add some cute designs on top using a toothpick. You can use the tip for the small design or cut off the tip and use it as a large dotting tool. Create 2 dots side by side and then extend the bottom to create the heart. Add a few dots to complete. You can wear these designs as an accent nail or enjoy all of them at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this video and click the I button if you'd like to see more nail art tutorials. Thank you for watching!